Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. If you've never been here before, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. My voice is very froggy lately. I feel like allergies have just been so bad. Let me know if they've been bad for you because I feel like I have like no voice. My throat feels so tight. Today I wanted to bring you guys a new video featuring some new SkinMedica products. If you haven't seen my last two videos about all of my favorite SkinMedica products, I will have them somewhere up here in the information card. Check them out. I absolutely love this line. So I'm going to be sharing some new products I've never talked about before. So I just wanted to start with the Lumivive line. So if you have not heard of the Lumivive line by SkinMedica, they were newer, I think maybe like 2 years ago. I tried some of their samples and absolutely loved it. So I wanted to touch on this system. So they look like this. And these are specifically a revitalizing repair complex and a damage defense serum. So we're going to talk about the Lumivive day because there's a day and a night. This is for day. This is the serum. So this one comes out very liquidy. I would say it's like the consistency of like a serum slash like really watery lotion. Yeah, it comes out just like this. I don't know if you can see that. Blends in really nicely. It feels very light and minimal on the skin, but it gives it just enough where it gives you like that nice dewy glow, like you look radiant. It hydrates, but it's not too much. I think it's great to wear before you put any makeup on. You can even apply it after makeup. You can just, kind of tap it in with your fingers. It's a great serum to put on if you don't want something super thick. One of my favorite products by SkinMedica is their TNS serum, and that can be a little bit on the thicker, tackier side, but this actually dries very nicely. It doesn't feel tacky on the skin. It actually, lays down nicely. It fills in the pores, gives you that nice glow, but it's not too thick. So I love also putting this under my eye, so I'll just dab it kind of like on my under eye, and I feel like it just gives it enough hydration, but it doesn't like really sit on the skin where I'm just, if I need to put on makeup real quick, it's gonna soak in, it's gonna lay nicely, and it's perfect for the daytime. I just love it. So yeah, so this also claims to provide a bio barrier against environmental aggressors like blue light, pollution, damaging rays from the sun that damage your skin. So this is really acting as like a barrier between harmful pollutants and your skin. So it's a great everyday product to wear. It's protecting your skin. It's delivering a nice youthful glow. So it's definitely doing great things for the inside of your skin. I'm sorry, my dog is drinking water. But it's also very nice aesthetically. So next we have the Lumivive Night, and when you shake it, you hear like a little ball mixer in there. But this guy is designed for a nice. But this guy is specifically for the night. So he comes out a little bit thicker. So you can see the color is a little bit thicker. It's a different consistency. Very nice, but I would say it's still in between like a light and thick cream. So it's perfect for, people that want that moisture, to work overnight but not feel like you're laying down with like a thick cream on your face. It's not tacky, it blends in really nicely. It feels very moisturizing and it gives like that nice smooth finish. So yeah, it's not sticky or anything, which I always hate when lotions are sticky. It glides on the skin so nicely. So this one is proven to recharge the skin's ability to repair itself overnight and helps restore a glowing, youthful appearance A proprietary blend of ingredients invigorates and detoxifies stressed skin, making it feel fortified and appear more radiant each morning. The number one thing I love about SkinMedica is you can use this one time and literally notice a difference like that second. Like your skin just wakes up, accepts it, it looks so amazing, it works within the first use. So, you know, using it over time is going to really help your skin look years younger. It's amazing. I'll leave prices for everything down below in case you're curious. And then the last product, my new absolute favorite product by SkinMedica right now is their Dermal Repair Cream. So I like this. It's like a little dome, spaceship looking packaging. It's really cute, really sleek. You get a lot of bang for your buck. That's what it looks like inside. It's a nice thick cream. So this is what I would say is a thicker night cream. So if you love thick creams that really just penetrate the skin, kind of sits on top and makes your skin look like you just got like a professional facial, this is for you. However, the only thing I can say is the scent is a little weird. It has like a sunscreeny, like calamine lotion, grandma kind of scent, but I have to say it does kind of dissipate after like a few minutes. I think it lingers for maybe like 5-10 minutes and then it kind of goes away, so not a deal breaker at all. This stuff is amazing. It's very thick. It's supposed to just heal and repair the damage of your skin from the day. It really renews and brings back that youthful glow. And this is a product, once you apply it, it's like a night and day difference from what your skin looked like before you applied it. It's crazy. It looks so glowy. My skin looks clear. My complexion's evened out. It's so hydrated. I can just feel my skin soaking it up. It's incredible. I've never used a product like this before. Now I don't have anything on the packaging here that kind of gives you like the rundown of what it clinically proves to do, but I'll leave all that information down in the description box. Of course, I'll leave all the links to the products so you guys can check this guy out. It's incredible. Now this isn't a cheap line, this is high-end skincare, but I will definitely tell you guys from experience, I've used drugstore stuff and I've used high-end stuff, and my skin is bougie. Like, skin needs to be treated right in order to show signs of anti-aging and, you know, turning back the time according to your skin, because once you lose collagen and you get wrinkles and fine lines and all that stuff, it's hard to kind of go back. So you need products that are going to combat, they're going to prevent, and they're going to, you know, give you that youthful glow that we all want. So I think it's really important to invest in good skincare because you're going to get out what you put in or on your skin. So I definitely think it's worth the money, it's worth the splurge. Definitely take advantage of, you know, sales and deals that go on. But yeah, the SkinMedica line is incredible. I love them. They're worth it. They just give you amazing results. I cannot speak more highly of them. If they would sponsor me one day, that would be amazing because I have like all of their products. I've used so many of their things. I love all of them in each way. They all do something different, which is incredible. And they all work together so well. And it's so good for like acne prone skin, sensitive skin, because I have both of those. I get pimples and I have sensitive skin, and if a product works so well with those conditions, then I am so happy to promote them to you guys. Give it a go. Let me know what you think if you do try SkinMedica, if you use it. Let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear it. And yeah, I will definitely leave those links to my other videos about SkinMedica products in the description box, as well as up in this bar up here. And until I see you guys in my next video, bye!